Hello friends. So as I told you, I'll be talking about certain procedures, certain things which very few people know about, and this is one of them. This is bundle thread, as you can see, and this bundle thread, it comes with a cannula, so it's safe to put. There are 20 mono threads with this bundle thread. So today Dr. Stitha and Dr. Aditya will be doing this for deep nasolabial fold, restoring. We are restoring the deep nasolabial fold, and this thread is a much cheaper option as compared to filler, and it's much stronger because this thread, by virtue of making new collagen, will give us a more long-term solution to this problem. Okay, so we'll just make the entry point. Did you make the entry point?
Yeah.
Made it? Okay. So we will have now, by the way, this is second day of training, so Dr. Stitha will be doing this bundle thread with cannula. So we've already made an entry point, and very nice. Just push it. Yes, push. Go. Yes, go till the end, but turn it a little bit here. Yes, perfect. Put your hand here, hands here. Yes, and now take it out. Very nice, very nice. You immediately see some restoration. You see, this
Yes,
is
sir, yes,
almost
sir.
gone,
Yeah.
and we massage it properly. Dr. Aditya will do it now on the other side. चलो ये clean कर देना please. So there are certain procedures which are not. I mean, the more and more you work, the more and more things you get to work with. So these procedures, I'm using a lot of these procedures which normally you will not encounter anywhere, or there won't be any training for these procedures. So there are certain threads like micro cannula, under eye lip threads, bundle threads, then we have mesh threads, all these different types of threads. But of course the prerequisite is a very good hands-on in terms of working with the cannula. So we are working with pan facial cannula technique. In this age and time of advancement, if you are still working with needle, that's very regressive. Okay, we have to start working with cannula. We have to match our counterparts in Europe or US, it's been many years now that they've stopped using needles. I will never use needles for filler. I will never use needles in risky areas, in risky zones. So again, I'm sorry I missed it. कर दिया आपने? दूसरी साइड पे बंडल दिखाना एक सेकंड कैनुला. See this. Sorry, just this is, I don't know if it's clear or not, but this is a cannula, not a needle. This is, anyways, I'll put the pictures, but this is a cannula, not a needle. आप मसाज कर लो, फिर हम polylactic filler करेंगे उसके बाद. So we'll be doing polylactic filler now. This patient wants a lateral facelift, neck lift, double chin gone, everything lifted. Okay, so we'll also be doing Botox for this patient. My idea of showing you this video is that sometimes I'm putting a lot of live videos, but when people ask me about the workshop, they're not able to understand. I mean, they're not able to make out what's happening. My idea of showing you this video is, number one, our training is a massive hands-on training. As you can see, on the second day, these people are working with procedures which a lot of trainings are not even offering. They've not even reached that level of teaching those indications. And number two, and this will keep on happening till for all these days. Number two, I want you people to be aware of so much new stuff that's coming. Cork threads are an old story now. It's been many years now. So there are a lot of new modalities, new stuff, new types of fillers, stronger fillers, regenerative fillers. So that's the whole idea of making this video. And anybody who wants to contact me for workshop, this video I've made so that they can have a look there. And so I get the relief of not answering the same question again and again and again. I mean, we are doing hands-on workshop, hardcore hands-on, so that means we are doing hands-on workshop. If you're coming and learning with me, that means you are learning 100% when you go back. Okay? All right. So I'll be coming back live again after a while. Have a nice day.